Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'll show you how to wipe data using recovery mode on the OPPO A71. Let me show you how to wipe data using recovery mode. Start by pressing the power key, slide to power off, and wait until the device is off. Use the combination of power key and volume down, hold both keys together. Release both keys as soon as the OPPO logo appears. Recovery mode appears. Navigate using volume keys and confirm with the power key, or tap on the screen. Choose English, then select Wipe Data. This will wipe all your data except SMS, contacts, and photos, and also remove lock screen passwords. Other application data will be reset, so be aware of this. Tap OK to confirm and wait until the operation is completed. Now use the back key and choose Reboot. Tap OK and wait until the home screen appears. That's it. Now you can unlock the device and start using your phone normally. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and give a thumbs up.